In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Notion. We'll walk through the process step by step directly inside your Monday.com account. And by the end, you'll have the Notion Sync app installed and connected to the workspace and board you want to use. First, open Monday.com and make sure you're on the home dashboard, already logged into the account where you want this integration set up. Starting from the home view just keeps everything consistent with what you'll see on screen. From here, look towards the left-hand side or top navigation bar for your main menu area and click the highlighted section that opens your account or admin options. This will take you into the part of Monday where you can manage settings for your whole account. Next, select Administration. You may only see this option if you're an admin or have the right permissions. So if it's missing, you might need someone with admin access to follow these steps. Once you're in the administration area, look for the Apps section and click on it. This is where you manage all third-party apps and integrations installed on your Monday.com account. Inside Apps, find and click on Explore Marketplace. This opens the Monday.com Marketplace where you can browse and install apps that extend what Monday can do. In the Marketplace search bar, click into it and type Notion. Give it a second, and you'll see a list of results related to Notion integrations. From the search results, click on the Notion two-way sync app listing. This is the app that will allow Monday.com to connect and sync with your Notion workspace. On the apps page, click on Install App to start the installation process. You'll usually see some basic info about what the app can do, along with permissions it needs. A confirmation window will appear. Click Install again to approve and continue. After it installs, Monday.com will ask where you want to use this app. Choose your main workspace so the integration is available to your primary projects and boards. You'll be asked again to confirm the main workspace selection. Click it one more time to proceed. Now, you'll see an option to choose a board. Click that, and from the list of boards, select the one you want to sync with Notion. In this example, choose the Inventory Management board. Within that board, pick the specific project or view where you want the integration to live, then click on Add App. Monday.com will now attach the Notion Sync app to that board, and you're ready to configure your sync rules inside the app's settings.